Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. We are reviewing something today. Can you guys guess what it is? What is missing on my face? Yes, it's eyeshadow. Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. I am so excited for these. Honestly, I literally just got them in the mail 3 hours ago and I was like, oh my god, I better save my reaction for this video. So it's his first eyeshadow palette, okay? It's a big deal. I'm literally screaming and crying inside. I'm so excited for this. We are going to open it together. I'm going to cover the price in a bit, but before we start, can we just take a second to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram? So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna open it together. How gorgeous is the packaging? As always, this rose gold. Oh, this is actually made in the USA, because I remember some of his brows product is made in... Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can we just take a second so we can actually scream for this? So much emotions. Okay, 2 creams. My god, the shimmers, oh my god. Okay, I could tell. These 2 are more subtle. These are extremely sparkly. Yes. These are all matte, very neutral, and this one has a hint of the shimmer in it as well. Oh my god. I'm gonna swatch them. This is a swatch of the bottom row. Look how gorgeous these are. And look at the shimmer. Guys, this is natural lighting. Can we actually appreciate it? There is a huge mirror. Best for travels. By the way, I just want to cover the price quickly. So it's £58 major dimensions eyeshadow palette. Major dimension eyeshadow palette. £58 for 12 gram. Whoa. Ooh. Honestly, they look really beautiful. I love eyeshadows, something that I cannot live without, and recently I have been so into neutral eyeshadow. So the one that I got from Makeup by Mario, it was so good and it was so sad. It was really sad. Guys, I'm gonna show you. It broke. I dropped it. I've been loving this, and come on, like that eyeshadow was really nice for the matte. But I think this eyeshadow is more me, because I'm a bit like a... I can't just live with all mattes, okay? I have to have some shimmery shade, glittery shade. I love a bit of drama, okay? Let's put it like that. So, very excited for these. Ooh. It feels like a contour, to be honest. Wow, nice. Very pigmented. I'm going to try to use this shade first. Ooh, pigmented shit. Is it pigmented? Well, drag it out a little bit. It was really creamy though. So I'm going to apply more of that cream. Wow, it's such a gorgeous shade. It dries down quite quickly, by the way. Guys, come on, it looks like the look has already completed. Jeez. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, whatever. Anyways, it looks really nice. Next, I want to try to use this shade to blend it. I would say this, and then I will go with this. Well, I really love this palette. I feel like the cream eyeshadow is just a game changer. Yes, work your dimension. Next, I'm gonna try with this shade. Love it. And then blend with the lightest shade that I show you guys. Everything looks really blended at the moment, and I'm just gonna go in with the dark shade now. I'm gonna use this And then this for my eyeliner. I'm just gonna go out like this. That's my sort of lazy ways to do eyeshadow. So I go like this. Look down. See? This like kind of creates a little bit of a shadow. It just looks really blended. Don't worry if you think that it's not sharp enough, because we can clean it up. Wow. Kind of like connect the corner. Same as this. Yes, I messed it up. Don't worry about this. We're gonna fix this and clean it up. Now we're gonna use the darker shade to try to darken the eyeliner. Now we can try to tight line with the dark brown. It looks really smoky. And then I use this little brush to try to blend it with this shade. Blend it. Gorgeous. And then you go back with this same brush that we started with. I'm going to blend a bit more of this shade on here. I just blended these two shades together. Now I want to use this shade and this shade for my lower lash line. I'm barely touching it, it's really pigmented. I'm just using my highlighting shade to clean up, and this is the brush that I'm using. You know, really clean, and then obviously you blend it. Okay, so now it's looking clean. So first, this shade, highlighting shade. This is the brush I'm using. Whoa, gosh, my squishy. And then this shade. Now it's looking like this. I feel like this is so beautiful. I want to try it. I don't want to be too greedy though. Oh god, I'm getting too greedy. Rule number 1, don't be too greedy. I really want to try this shade. I'm gonna put some here maybe. Now my makeup is done. I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes and put on a mascara. So I'll see you guys when I come back. So I put on my mascara. That's how they're looking right now. And I put on more lipstick because I went to dinner. And so yes, I am loving this eye makeup, to be honest. Everything is just so blended and it's just so nice. So buttery and so pigmented. Like, not even joking. And it blends beautifully. This is probably gonna be my new favorite eyeshadow palette now. And the cream, they are amazing. And now I kind of regret that I didn't get his contour now. The cream contour that he launched, I didn't actually get that. It's just so beautiful. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's blendable, it's pigmented, the color has the right tone in that, and the shimmer shade has the right amount of shimmer. And this one, this shade is gorgeous, by the way. Subtle but has some shimmer in them, and just like a bit like low-key, you know, like I'm there but I'm still here, you know, but I'm not like out there. This palette is £58. Because I love him and the eyeshadow is just outstanding. It's worth it. Like, it's just really good and really pigmented. With a mirror is just perfect, especially over the summer. The cream shade is really bomb. I think most of the time cream eyeshadow normally come in a little pot, not in the pan, so I think he did a good job. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this eye makeup look and Petritar eyeshadow palette. So see you guys next time.